Everyone. I welcome you all for very first day of FE induction program, and definitely we are going to enjoy with this 6 days program. Now to start with this, today we have with us Professor Ketan Desle sir, who is working as a digital head at Pimpri Chinchwad Education Trust and Nutan Maharashtra Vidya Prasarak Mandal. Sir is also working as a assistant professor at Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering. Sir is awarded with Young Leadership in Education 2019 award, which was received by hands of Dr. H.K. Sardana, Chief Scientist of CSIR CSIO. Sir is also awarded with ASMA India's Top 30 Modulars in Education 2019 award. With his total experience of 10 plus years since 2015, Sir is working with Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering. Sir has also worked for D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, and with his education, Sir has done with B, ME, and currently pursuing his PhD. With his research work, Sir has published various international conference papers and journal papers. And today, Sir is going to guide with us with the interesting topic effective use of social media for professionals. I request Sir to take a charge and guide students with this interesting topic. Over to you, Sir.
Uh, thank you, ma'am, for such a nice introduction. Uh, yes, so I hope the most of the students have joined, and the audience is from first year, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Ma'am, one more thing. We are recording the meeting. Yes?
Yes, sir. Recording has
Yeah,
started. Yes.
okay, okay. So good morning, students. So without wasting the time, we'll start with the topic. Very interesting topic because every time when this particular age group, means your age group, which is between 18 to 25, is working on, or it is they are busying their schedule or wasting their time by the means of others. It is said that it is very useless or it is not effective. Why you are wasting your time on Facebook or Instagram or any other like YouTube and all. But today we are going to see how the particular social media channels are effectively used so that it can be help you in your professional path. Okay. Now, as you are in a first year, I think it is very good year to start your profile building. So the terms I will clear now. Before starting with this session, just let me share my screen. Some of the topics will be covered. If you have any doubt in between, definitely you can disturb me and ask. Okay. So it will be the two-way communication. It will not be something ki only I will be speaking and you will be listening. So whatever doubt you will feel in between, so definitely feel free to ask me. Okay. So this is something social media for professionals. So first, I want to clear ki what we are going to cover in this. So we are going to cover, I hope my screen is visible. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So we will focus on majorly 2, 3 points. Why to use social media first? This might be the very generalized statement for most of the student. Then second, various social media platforms which are available, how you should use those platforms that we will cover in detail, and lastly some of the key takeaways as per my experience, so what you should do while using those platforms. Okay, so this is something. Social media earlier it was like it is just for a fun. Okay, like earlier Orkut and all were there in our days when we were in the college days. So Orkut or Facebook is just like a fun. Ki, array, your account is there on Orkut or not. So just to find the friends, just to have the messaging, chatting and all. But now it has been more than that. It is not something for fun only. Okay, you can connect with your existing audience and new audience as well. So what is new? The people which you don't know, like influencers, some of the good resources in particular topic. So you can get in touch with them through any of the medium. Either it is Facebook or LinkedIn or Instagram or any other medium. Okay. Second, what you are getting up to date ideas or trends in your field. Okay, I am not getting updates because some of the updates can be false. So not all updates are true on social media. That is also true. Okay, but you will get some idea ki what is going in some particular field. Let's consider healthcare field. You are getting very quick information through your social media. Okay, so whether it is any platform. Third one is you can build your brand very effectively. Okay, brand means what? It can be your business brand, it can be your personal brand. Yes, personal branding is also at most important, and today I'm most my points will be focused on your personal branding. Okay, and lastly, you can post about your work, post about your achievements and all. I'm not focusing here on your normal posting. You are going for some picnic and check in there. Suppose you are going to Lonavala and check in at Lonavala. No, this is something a personal level part. But here I want to focus ki whatever your work has been carried out, your achievement. For example, let's say you participated in a competition there, you won second rank. Okay, so you can post it on that. Ki how was your experience? Who has conducted this? What is the prize amount? What was the problem statement? So like that, if you post on your wall, then it will definitely add something your to profile. Okay, with respect to your career orientation. Okay, now, personal part is different, and that's why now we will see which particular social media handle to use for which type of posting. Okay, so there are many platforms available where mixing of the postings currently we are doing. So we can segregate these platforms as per their originality, means the point behind their development has to be considered. Okay, so I am not saying that these are the only four ways or the effective things, but according to me, this should be your four important things when you are using any particular social media. Okay? So some of the social media, in short, we will just discuss and then one by one we'll see how these platforms are working. Very important professionally, if you want your presence, then I will recommend you should have your account on LinkedIn. Okay, so what is the advantage of LinkedIn? Now it is here you will get all the professionals. Why I'm saying professional? Because you have to enter your company name, your designation, your work experience, all those details while filling or while making the profile on in LinkedIn. So that part is being highlighted most when you create your account on LinkedIn. Okay. So what you can do now, many of the companies are having their pages on LinkedIn. Some job openings are there. So that will be very effectively used LinkedIn as far as your job hunting or knowledge gathering part is concerned. Second platform is something Twitter, which is also called as microblogging. The microblogging because there is some character limitation. Earlier it was 140, now it is 280. So with 280 characters only you can express your thoughts. So it is very crisp and summarized way of putting your thoughts on social media. Here also you will get many of the influencers. Okay, like recent example in last lockdown only, it is Elon Musk. He just puts one keyword tweet on the Twitter. Anyone knows what he put it on Twitter? Elon Musk tweet was very famous. Okay, so it was only Signal, use Signal, and then
Bitcoin
your
and Dogecoin.
yeah, yeah, related to Bitcoin also. So Signal app, which was similar to, not similar to, but it is in the same category of your WhatsApp and all. But the security part is more important and more carefully being taken care in Signal. So only with this one simple keyword by that influencer, the revenue of the company goes like anything. Okay, so who knows that now Signal, most of the people, those who are not on Twitter, they took some time of a week or 2 week to understand what is Signal. but those who are active on Twitter, those who are currently in flow with the trends in Twitter, it is called as hashtag. What trend is going on? Okay, so to be with the trend, but that should be beneficial for your professional career. Trend can be anything. Okay? Many types of trends are there on Twitter every day. Okay? Third platform, Facebook. I think 99% student must be on a Facebook because it is something considered as a casual network where you can get in touch with anybody as on a personal level. But now Facebook is more than that. Facebook is having good number of influencer on it. Pages can be created. Then you have some groups concept in Facebook where like-minded people can come together and form one group and share the knowledge. Then the tools like Facebook Live and all others, so they're really effective. But still, whatever account, the easiestness in creating the account leads to the maximum number of fake accounts on Facebook. So again, you cannot trust everything on Facebook. Okay. Instagram again, it is only related to or focusing on the video or photo. Okay. So graphical, if I want to share the information about me, about my work, about my products, about my business, then definitely I should choose the Instagram. And again, it has been as per the handiness. It has not been the crowd. You will get only 18 to 30 or 35 or mostly below 18 also. Those who are easily adapting to the new form, new format. So those who are with the uh, latest technical things or tech savvy, rather I will call them as Instagram. So just scroll down through the post of Instagram is easy, but to be active on Instagram you will require some other skills, okay, like creating reels, creating good quality photographs, then applying various filters, then putting story for 24 hours, like that. YouTube, yes, again emerging as very robust platform to start your own channel or something where you need not to be depend on anyone for any particular job. You can be a good YouTuber provided your content is genuine, content is good, the delivery of content is good, and very important, the editing part which is required in YouTube videos is up to the mark. I'm not saying it should be excellent, but it should be the up to the mark. What you want to convey to the society, it should be clear. Okay. And last, again, it is something self-independent platform called as blogging platform. You can write your own blog. YouTube is something, it is vlog, video logs, or blogs, it is called as. Blog is something where you can put pictures and text form. Okay. So whatever you want, if you have that writing skill, if you have that vocabulary strong, so definitely you can go with this blogging. So one by one now we'll see. I will just show the demo as well. LinkedIn, I will mostly focus on all these whatever channels are. LinkedIn and all others, wherever it is possible, we'll see what features you should use. Okay. So every platform I have just categorized into three parts. How you can use it for your growing your network. Network here I want to say to make your friends if it is Facebook. Okay. Grow your network if it is LinkedIn. Okay. Follow some particular things if it is Instagram or Twitter. Okay. So terminology is different. At the end, what you want to do, you want to grow your network. Means what? You want to get connect with as much as possible people on the social media through your respective channel. Okay. So on LinkedIn, how you can approach? So in LinkedIn is the one option is called as connect. Okay. So you cannot directly connect with very unknown person. That is the main crux of your LinkedIn. If you know their email ID, you can put them a request through the email ID. If it is completely unknown, what I'm saying, because LinkedIn has putted some filters. First connection, second connection, third connection. First connection means what? For example, mutual friend. To A and B are two friends are there, and C is friend of A, C is friend of B. Okay, so like that, some kind of mutual connections are also reflected as a part of second connection. If your friend's friend or that connect is present, it is third connection. So up to third connection, you can directly send the connect request. But beyond that, if it is completely unknown, then you have to have your mail ID of that, means you need to prove the identity of that. And so the fake account count is very minimum in LinkedIn. I'm not saying it's zero, but very minimum, okay, as compared to the Facebook. And second best part is what, once they approve your request, then only you can able to see their activities. So on LinkedIn it is called as activity. If they have liked something, if they have put some article or something. Okay. Second important part of LinkedIn is to have or to use it for a job search. Okay, LinkedIn Jobs is one of the product audit tool which is available through LinkedIn account only. So many good companies are having their valid account, or what we can say official account, company page on LinkedIn, where they are putting regular posting, whether it is job posting or their achievement. I have mentioned the link also here. When you log in through the LinkedIn, you will definitely able to see it. And third part, if it is related to the business, means if you're handling your business and have the company page, then how you should expand that particular thing. So let's move to that LinkedIn part. Let me share my screen again. I will just share that screen. Screen is visible. Just quickly let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is your, I have just logged into my account. So I will just let you know ki what things are different from Facebook and what should be there. Okay. So we'll just go through the profile. See, LinkedIn is putting the summarization of yourself. Okay. Means your title, your name, your designation, how many connections you have. Up beyond 500, it will show only 500 plus. Okay. Then your previous work, or whatever you select, it should be shown here. That will be reflected. Second important part is this about section. Okay. This about section you can consider as equivalent to the objective of your CV, or something through which someone should know you by reading just a one paragraph or two. No character limitation. You can put a good, or you can write very good description about you. Okay. Then one more important featured part. Featured means if any achievement of yourself you want to highlight always. Means if anyone is searching with this profile, currently I'm admin, so I'm not able to see as a viewer part. Okay. So when someone is looking for that without any connection, that will be featured. Okay. Then activities are something which is auto. Experience part which you can add here in LinkedIn. Okay. Where you can put your designation, company name. Now company name is something, if that company is having the official page, then that company name can be tagged. Okay. So this can be approved, this can be uh, uh, means taken care by HR as well. Means if someone is falsely putting anything on this, "Ki I have worked here," and for example like this, so they have the right to report that particular profile. And that's why I'm saying the genuinity, the authenticity is very important. Okay. Then you can add your education. If you see this, these are the things only which you put in your CV. Okay. So then you will put your education. It can be any, you add it from 10, 12, whatever education you want to highlight, you can highlight. Now comes to the beauty, like skills and endorsement. Now this is something here, you can add your own skill. Okay. Now this is the way I can add my own skill. But again, LinkedIn is, see, it is what it is taking care of. For example, I have added this. Okay. This is not sufficient. LinkedIn provides the option for your connects to endorse you. Endorse means what? If I have added the skill like I will show you. Like here, see, 24 is something. 24 of my contacts have endorsed me. Ki they have came here and tell that ki yes, really, I am having this skill. So this is very something very important in LinkedIn. Others are also telling ki this is your skill. When others will tell you, when they have some experience, when they have some knowledge or the some kind of work experience with you, then only they will do it. Okay, so whatever skills you will put na, that should be endorsed by someone. Okay, so one more thing in endorsement. Now this is one way, means you are only putting and someone is endorsing. LinkedIn currently in 6 7 months before, they have introduced one option of taking the skill quiz. Means there will be one quiz online, which was again very hard. 30, I think I have opted for C skill, C language skill. So some questions will be there. You cannot open the other tab and all that care has been taken. And time limit is there. If you able to pass that skill, quiz, then LinkedIn skill assessment badge will be provided. Means it will be automatically embedded into your profile. If you failed, then no badge will be there, nothing. It will be written you have failed in this. Means if you want to prove ki yes, really I'm having this skill, so LinkedIn is also giving some skill assessment for you. So like that, now what is important for you? You are saying na, on your CV you are putting a lot many skills you are putting. Here you are getting the endorsement also, you are getting the authenticity also. And that's why I will tell you ki this particular profile can be export in PDF form. So nowadays or in future, no one will ask you for your CV. They will ask you what is your LinkedIn URL. Just tell me. They will go and export it as a CV and they will get your details, education detail, work experience, your skills. Some more part is also there. I will just tell you. Recommendation. Now it is something very important. Recommendation is this will help you in uh, highlighting your profile. Now many of my students are requiring LinkedIn recommendation for their MS admission in foreign universities. So universities are asking to like we are writing LOR na, letter of recommendation. Fixed format रहता है. Stamp विम लगा के सब all faculty are giving the same. But here you have that option both way. Either you can be recommended by someone else or you can give recommendation to others. Like this received is something these people have recommended me. These are some are my students, some are my colleagues. So like that you can get the recommendation. You can request them to write a recommendation, not at all different thing in that. Okay, so here you will get actual recommendation. Why I'm saying actual? Because that particular person, his company name, his designation, uh, how you know each other. Like here it is written, I worked with Ketan, but in a different company. Okay, like he reported directly to you. So some format is there. Accordingly, you can select it. You can give recommendation as well. So I am saying na, that MS, she is my MS student, Pooja. So I have given the recommendation as per the requirement of her university. Right. So it is not something. Now he is also one of my student who is now Google lead at PCCOE. So I've given the recommendation because it was required in his interview. So again, this part, it is not something ki you request your friend and get the recommend. No, it is professionally you have to work. Okay, you have to prove yourself in a work environment. You can just request. You cannot force anyone. Okay, so this particular recommendation part will also highlight your profile much. So when someone is going through your profile, yes, definitely not only you, others are also recommending you. That is adding very different flavor to your profile. Okay. Now next important part in LinkedIn is your accomplishments, means your achievements. Now this is again very important as your student part is concerned. Why? Because you can add your publication, you can add languages known, organizations, courses, whatever courses you have done, na, their badges, their certificate can be introduced here or embedded here. If you see, accomplishment can be of this many types: publication, patent, course, project, honors and awards, test score. If online score, test scores here, many of the coding platforms are available, like HackerRank or TCS Code Vita, or some competitions like Smart India Hackathon. All such scores, all their certificates can be embedded on this LinkedIn. So no need to put separately. Normally in CV, what students are putting, I have worked on this project and I worked as a team leader. So on every CV, every student is team leader. But here you cannot do like that. If you have worked on that project, provide the GitHub link. Anyone knows student GitHub portal, HackerRank or GitHub? So definitely go through that portal. If you are from a computer science background, then you should have, after LinkedIn, your profile should be on the GitHub, your profile should be on HackerRank, your profile should be on TCS, Accenture coding platform. Okay, because this is the only way to highlight yourself, and this I am calling it as a personal branding. Okay, no need to have that one page, two page CV. यही आपका CV है, ये जो बन रहा है ना, over the period of time. In next 3 years, when company will come to recruit you on third year, na, just export. I will show you that option because all other options are over now. If you go here, save to PDF, you can print everything, whatever mention on your this particular profile page. You can save it as a PDF or just share it. Mark me, means in most of the companies now they have started asking the LinkedIn profile, GitHub profile, like that. Okay, so this is the only required thing. I think you should invest your time rather than Facebook. You do have your account on this, but difference should be very well known to us. Okay. Second part, I was referring to job, na. See, these many products LinkedIn is offering. Which one? This is important for you, like finding a job. As I have some company pages, so I am getting a option of posting a job. Then learning is also important. Very good learning resources are available. Just will just go through that. If you want, you know Coursera, you know many of the platforms. But yes, these are these courses which are being offered by LinkedIn also. Okay, you can go through, you can search. So like that, you can opt for any number of courses. And the best part is what? You can embed their achievement. If you pass in that particular course, if you able to clear the test of that score, then that particular score or the certificate can be embedded. Okay. So this is how your LinkedIn should be. And that's why we have spent maximum time on LinkedIn. Okay. Any doubt in LinkedIn, so that we can go ahead with other social media platforms? Anyone? How many students are having account or not having account on LinkedIn? If you don't have any account, definitely yes. I'm able to see the yes response from many students. Yes, definitely. So your target should be just nurturing, just improvising the account, your profile. Okay? जैसे हम फेसबुक का करते हैं ना, 1000 रिक्वेस्ट आ गए मुझे, 1500 लोग मेरे फ्रेंड्स है. So your target should be on LinkedIn. These many certifications I have. These many courses I've worked on. ये मेरे publications है that I have embedded on my LinkedIn profile. Or I have taken for 3 self-assessment quiz on LinkedIn. So your competition should be like this. Okay, instead of others, like others are also, see, professionally currently we are discussing, and that's why I will recommend you to give more weightage to LinkedIn first. In percentage, if you want to talk now, 80% you should focus on your LinkedIn. पैरेलली आपको बहुत सारे कोडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म के साथ वर्क करना पड़ेगा, दैट इज इंक्लूडेड इन दिस 80%. रेस्ट इज योर 20%. If no doubt, then we can go ahead with the further things. So just let me share my screen again. Okay. Okay. So final, the summary of LinkedIn, which I want to tell is what it will be very effective career management tool if you use it very wisely. Okay, ये आपको बहुत professionally it will give you the advantage. Okay, so explore all the options. ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि now at this time means in first year you are not able to work on all the whatever options provided. I am also not having all the option. I am not having any patent, so I am not able to add anything here. ओके, सो आपके साथ भी हो सकता है, मे बी आपके पब्लिकेशन नहीं हो सकते, मे बी आपके कुछ सर्टिफिकेशंस नहीं हुए, बट कीप सम टारगेट. जैसे आप सेमेस्टर का कुछ टारगेट रखते हैं ना, इन दिस सेमेस्टर आई विल कंप्लीट दिस एंड इट विल बी रिफ्लेक्टेड ऑन द लिंक्डइन अकाउंट. ओके, second important part, Twitter. Yes, professionally, the difference I have told you ki very minimum characters are used to express the thoughts, to express what you want to say. So how you can use Twitter effectively? Twitter is more, I think, preferred by all the individual personalities or influencers rather than company pages. जैसे LinkedIn पे both are available ना. Company pages are also there on Twitter. Official Twitter handle we can call it as. But most of the accounts or most of the profiles on Twitter are on a personal level. Okay. So what purpose the Twitter is having, within minimum words, within minimum content, you want to express your thing. Now, if words are minimum, you want to express means it should be dynamic. It should be with the time. ऐसे नहीं होगा ट्विटर पे आपको एक साल पुराना कोई अपडेट कोई कर रहा है. They can retweet it, but Twitter is moreover for to keep you in a trend. जो लेटेस्ट हैपनिंग्स हो रहे हैं, जो लेटेस्ट एडवांसमेंट हो रहे हैं, इट कैन बी एनी डोमेन, वेदर इट इज एजुकेशन, वेदर इट इज योर कंपनी, वेदर इट इज पॉलिटिक्स, एनीथिंग जो रिसेंटली वहां पे हैपन हो रहा है वो आपका ट्विटर पे. इट्स लाइक करंट अफेयर्स जो यूपीएससी में रहता है ना, करंट अफेयर्स वाला टॉपिक, वैसे आपको ट्विटर से समझ में आएगा. यू जस्ट ट्विटर स्क्रॉल ट्विटर फॉर 30 मिनट, यू विल कम टू नो कि अकॉर्डिंग टू योर इंटरेस्ट जो आप सर्च करोगे अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल कम टू नो कि क्या क्या हैपनिंग्स हो रहे हैं. एंड इफेक्टिवली अगर आपको यूज करना है तो क्या करना चाहिए, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ट्विटर का जो बायो रहता है ना, आई थिंक 160 कैरेक्टर्स का लिमिट है. बायो मीन्स योर डिस्क्रिप्शन. इंस्टाग्राम का बायो जैसे वो जल्दी समझ में आएगा, ट्विटर इज ऑल्सो हैविंग वन बायो. सो दिस बायो विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू. सो बायो में आपको 160 कैरेक्टर में आपको खुद को डिस्क्राइब करना है. वेरी डिफिकल्ट. नो एनी स्पेशल पंक्चुएशन, नो बुलेट्स, नथिंग नथिंग. लिंक्डइन में कैसे आप पैराग्राफ लिख सकते हो, दैट इज योर बायो ओनली. वहां पे अबाउट नाम है उसको, यहाँ पे बोला है उसको बायो. इट्स योर बायोडेटा लाइक. Okay, so whatever you will write in again in a short way, that will help you to attract the followers. So in Twitter, the concept is called as follow. So you can follow someone or someone can follow you based on the interest and based on the your tweets and other content. Second important part in Twitter is hashtag. If you want to be with the time, be with the trend, you should know what hashtag is there. Hash in and आगे आपका जो भी होगा particular trending hashtag. Okay, so you must have heard in news now कि ये hashtag trending है, ये week में ये वाला hashtag trend हो रहा है. So this is only for the latest advancements. So this is uh, just to collect the information कि रियल टाइम में आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन करनी. यू कैन गो लाइव थ्रू ट्विटर ऑल्सो. कि ट्विटर हैज ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडेड इट. रियल टाइम आपको जो भी डेटा है और दी न्यूज़ है वो पता चलेंगी. कि हाउ टू बिल्ड अ नेटवर्क ट्विटर में बहुत इजी है बिकॉज इट जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ क्लिकिंग एंड फॉलो दैट पर्सन. लिंक्डइन में कैसे कि वो पर्सन ने अप्रूव करना चाहिए. ट्विटर इज नॉट लाइक दैट अनलेस एंड अनटिल ही ब्लॉक्स यू. So if you want to follow Elon Musk, if you want to follow Bill Gates, if you want to follow any other particular leader, just go and click on follow. You will come to know his particular tweets, what he wants to say or what is his opinion, like that. Organizations are also having their Twitter handle, so you can follow like many foreign. If you want your target is to place in company, follow that company Twitter page. Like Anand Mahindra, if you see, he is very active on Twitter. Okay, so many of the posts, many of the tweets he just finds and make it or take it to the next level. Okay, so like that, follow right people, right influencers as per your interest, as per your topic, or as per your industry. Okay, now what is important for you? You can focus on the universities. Good universities, IITs are also, all IITs are having their presence on Twitter. All foreign universities are having their presence on Twitter. MHRD is on Twitter. AICT is on Twitter. So whatever their latest happening, follow them. You will come to know. So ऐसे fake GRs and उसका कुछ problem नहीं होगा. They are making everything available on their official uh, handles, whether it is Twitter or Facebook or anything. Okay. So second professional social media handle which I will recommend it is Twitter. And what is your target in Twitter? To have your bio. Okay, so at the end of this day, आज के आपके सारे सेशन होने के बस कुछ टारगेट रखो. लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल जिनका नहीं है, गो एंड क्रिएट योर प्रोफाइल. जिनका है लेकिन कुछ जस्ट टाइम पास के लिए ही किया है, फोटो ऑन लिंक्डइन, फोटो इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर. आप ऐसे ही कोई बीच वाला फोटो वहां पे नहीं डाल सकते. यू आर जस्ट स्टैंडिंग ऑन अ बीच एंड टेकिंग अ सेल्फी. इट इज नॉट एट ऑल एक्सेप्टेबल. आपको कोई ब्लॉक नहीं करेगा, बट इट इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल. देयर यू शुड हैव योर प्रोफेशनल अटायर. Twitter, Facebook, you can put any kind of photos or whatever your different things are. Okay, so this is all about Twitter. Facebook, mostly everyone is knowing everything. जो अलग है, that only we will focus on. Very first, it has been most widely used platform, social media platform. 2.5 billion, I think it is crossed in last 1 or 2 months. 2.7 something exact, or near about 2.7 million accounts are there. Okay, but as I told you, very easy to create. So there is no any guarantee ki you are interacting with the genuine profile. But if it is a company page, means if you want to have your own brand, company page or celebrity page is also there. You can create your own page where you will get different number of options. Like people can follow you, people can like you, people can interact you through your live videos. They can rate you, they can write reviews for you. So all these are very good options available for business related development. Okay, like Facebook ads you can run, Facebook live you can do. But if it is a own or personal level account, then how you should use your Facebook? Very first, I know ki most of the connects or most of the friends are in your own circle or someone you know them personally. Try to get connect or try to get interact with most or your influencer in your domain, their company pages or their profile. Mostly you will get the pages only. For example, you want to follow any particular CEO. Okay, so it might happen that their company page can be there. But nowadays, people are coming with their own page as well because of the limitation of friends. जैसे friends आप 5,000 क्रॉस नहीं कर सकते पर्सनल अकाउंट से, बट ऑन कंपनी पेज यू कैन हैव एन नंबर ऑफ मोर देन 5,000 लाइक्स फॉलोअर्स. तो जिनका ये बेस बहुत स्ट्रांग है, दे आर जनरली गोइंग एंड प्रेफरिंग द पेज instead of account. Okay. Third important thing, Facebook is also having jobs option or jobs as a tool. You can interact it or you can apply directly through it. Either it can be redirecting to the job site or it can be applying through Facebook. But normally Facebook के प्रोफाइल में हम सब इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं फिल करते, like professional information. So it is not at all recommendable by me, but you will come to know the job opportunities where not that much professionalism is not required. Okay, but yes, definitely you will not come to know the software developer requirement is there, but some individual opportunities, entrepreneurship opportunities can be definitely come to know. If you want to apply, your profile should be complete, because any platform, whether you apply from LinkedIn, LinkedIn profile should be complete. If you applying from Facebook, Facebook profile should be complete. Okay. Now Facebook has launched marketplace as well. If you want to sell your product, you can post it on that marketplace, somewhat similar like your um, OLX. Okay, so that kind of things now every social media platform is coming up with. So if you want to use it, it is more powerful, influential भी है, आपको ज़्यादा reach मिलेगा आपके content का, everything you will get. Only that care should be taken कि you are interacting with the right profiles, right pages. Okay, so this is how about your Facebook. Instagram is almost same, but the difference is text oriented will not work here. It should be always photo or video. Nowadays trending is your reel. Whatever you, it is just for fun. Reels can be informative as well, but mostly 95% reels are on some fun oriented. Okay, how it is useful for you as a on a personal level. Uh, you will come to know about any company. Again, not all companies will be on Instagram professionally. Only those who are related to some product kind of things or youth related products are there. They will have their presence on Instagram. Others will not have. So effective part which is launched by Instagram is stories. Instagram stories 24 hours तक रहती है. Anyone can interact with it. There are many options are there. Uh, Advertisement options are there कि you can have a tie-up with any particular brand and you will get. So hashtags, then tagging of the accounts and stories. You work it effectively on Instagram? Yes, definitely. Uh, Being an individual where your scope is for a job, it will not directly support it, but yes, you will come to know about company, their culture, what is happening there. Like in educational, for example, you want to apply to any college, so you will come to know what activities are going in their college. So definitely you can make your decision based on that. Okay? YouTube. Now this next two platforms are something where you can have your own setup. Okay, आप खुद instead of searching for job, you can have your own channel. Like if it is a YouTube. So what you will require, you should have that content delivery skill. Okay, to start any YouTube channel. Editors and all you can associate with anyone, but you should work on the content first. If your content is good, if it is unique, the content delivery is unique, then definitely you will get the subscribers and followers. Okay? So YouTube, once you cross a specific amount of views and followers, definitely it will give you the earning opportunity. So if anyone is having their YouTube channel, let me tell you, there should be 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers minimum. If you have this in a 1 year, then you can have that ads in between on your videos. So promotional things you will get. Okay, this other can put their ads in your video like that. Okay, so advertising on YouTube is mostly preferred nowadays because video content and the audience focused on YouTube is very much. That's why it is effective video platform where small businesses or uh, uh, own business, I mean only 1 or 2 person are coming together and starting something. So that business and can be effectively grow if they use this platform effectively. Okay, so uh, major part, if I want to tell about this YouTube is miss which you can use nowadays. जैसे मैंने आपको अभी LinkedIn का बोला ना, so people are coming with their video CV or video resume in a 2 minute. You only describing yourself in the form of video. आप ही खुद का एक 2 मिनट का वीडियो बनाओ. What is your name? What are your achievements? Editing will add some good view or the this to your video. So many, because now recently we have conducted some recruitments. No? So I've received 3 video resumes for particular post. So not only it is required in digital part, but wherever you go, it's very easy concept. Means what? No one is having that. If your resume is of 10 pages. I'm talking about if you're experienced and if your resume is having 10 pages in it, no one will have that time to go and look into. Instead, you make your short video of 2 minutes, what you have achieved till date. So that will add some curiosity. In that 2 minutes, either that viewer will decide or that recruiter will decide whether to go in detail in his profile or not, or whether to reject it. Okay, so if you want to use YouTube, so many own channels are also there. Reviews channels are mostly preferred by the YouTubers. College reviews, product reviews, company reviews, all that. But come with some unique idea, form your group, editing skills, content delivery skills. ऐसे 2-3 student भी मिलके आए, they can start their own YouTube channel. Okay, and again I'm saying content is the best part of your YouTube. Okay, not more than that. Last part where you can focus more, being a technical student, you can have your own blogging site. Okay, it is free. WordPress, Blogspot, Medium.com. All LinkedIn is also used for writing article. So all these some things we can use for expressing your thoughts. Now what it requires in blogging, you will have to have some good vocabulary. Okay, you will require some good understanding of the knowledge, and very important, whatever you will write, it should be of your own. It is not something copied from some source, because plagiarism is the part which is central in your blogging. If you are just copying content and putting, it is not your own work. So let's say if you want to talk about the latest techno, if you want to write about AI, artificial intelligence, you read many literature available, you go through the websites, you go through the resources, but your understanding, your summarization is something you're blogging. And why I'm saying blogging, you should try at least once, because though it will help you in summarizing your whatever study material is. For example, you gone through 3 units. 3 units का आपको कितने pages आप read करोगे? Almost let's consider 150 or something pages are there if it is a reference book. Okay, so to summarize that 150 pages in terms of your own notes is nothing but blogging. आप वहां पे जो कंसेप्ट पढ़ते हो दैट यू आर राइटिंग इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. ओके, तो वैसे ही आप एक रियल टाइम कुछ तो एक टॉपिक सिलेक्ट करते हो, यू आर पुटिंग और राइटिंग योर ओन थिंग्स ऑन दैट topic or that keyword. I have used term keyword because whatever search term is there, it is considered as a keyword in online platform. Okay. Now, how it will help you to earn the money? Because if you see, many blogging websites are having some ads, like on top header part, sidebar, in between some square shape part is there. What it is? It is Google Ads plugin. When Google will trust you, when your site is having good traffic. Now, when your traffic can be good, when your content is good. So blogging में दो advantage है. You can interact with the community. आपको reply comments के through कुछ suggestions मिलते हैं users से. Or it can be means if that traffic is good. Traffic means what? Blogging at the end it is a website, small website. Okay, आपकी website how many people are referring? Then there are many parameters, like if someone is landing on your website and he's spending 2 minutes, means what? If your one blog is of let's say 4 minutes, 5 minutes, so at least he's reading something. So two things are important: your traffic should be more, and average read time by any particular user should be more. Then only Google will trust you and he will provide the option for putting Google ads on your blogging website. Okay? And through that you can earn some money, because it is pay per click kind of ratio is there. When someone is clicked on that and redirect to the product page, then you will get some reference amount for that particular click. So ऐसे आपको monetization मिलता है through your blogging website. And website can, that means background can be anything. WordPress is very easy if you are not from that much technical part, but they are having very good plugins available, or Blogspot, bloggers, and many websites are there. Whatever your website will be, blogging website will be, it has to be promoted nicely. When it is promoted, when your content is good. Okay. But It is applicable for your business as well, because many business are having their own website, but they are now adding one more part called as blog. They are writing a description about their product or their service that can be expressed in terms of blog. Now, individual level pe how it is beneficial for you. Suppose someone is going through your blog. Okay, you are writing a very good blog. There might be a chance that someone will directly approach you for any particular opportunity, and it had been happened with my student as well. One of my student from second year only, he wrote a good blog on GAN networks in deep learning. Now that blog was very good. Initially, he posted it on a Medium, medium.com. I will share the screen how it looks. On Medium, you will get all number of blogs written by every individual. But that blog was very informative. So it has been taken care by Towards Data Science community. You can search for that Towards Data Science, one portal is there. So they have contacted the student and they ask him to write the good articles based on that topic, and they are charging him for writing the blog on that topic. Now you will be surprising, if you are writing professional blog for some company or business, you will be charged on number of characters, not number of lines. How many characters you are writing for that? Based on that, some good means major companies or the big companies are charging like this, but this can be the maximum achievement through your blogging activity. Okay, so I think most professional part we have covered. To summarize the thing, just follow three rules. Very first is begin as a follower, because see, we don't know everything in a first attempt. So be in a learning mode. सीखते जाओ, because every social media platform is adding something new day by day. Okay, so पहले follower की तरह वहाँ पे enter करो. If you don't know anything, just try to learn it. Ask the expert, get in touch with someone who is already working in the domain. Second, slowly set up your presence. Have your footprints. कैसे करते हैं वो? लाइक करो अच्छे अच्छे जो भी आपके डोमेन के रिलेटेड पार्ट है वो. शेयर, फॉलो बैक, कमेंट, डू रेगुलरली कमेंट, बट इट शुड बी प्रोफेशनल. हैशटैग्स यूज करो, हैशटैग को फॉलो करो, सब्सक्राइब करो अच्छे चैनल्स को, पोस्ट समथिंग आउट ऑफ दैट. बट डूइंग दिस, while doing this, last part is very important, be professional. Whatever things or whatever activity you will do on the social media, it should be professional. Okay, because tweet, many of the students are taken the topic in their project, final year project, as Twitter sentiment analysis. Okay, you will be surprised to know there are some algorithms who can scan your profile and make judgment about you, whether you are eligible person for that company or not. How they are making? They are making decision based on your post, based on your type of post, what words you are used in that. If you are using any abusive words, any other words, definitely it will not at all recommended. Okay, so you can search that Twitter sentiment analysis. Twitter, why? Because shortly, if you want to express, then Twitter is used. Okay, so Twitter sentiment analysis पे बहुत सारा research अभी हुआ है, and based on that there are some online tools are also available. कि through that anyone, means you just put your URL, ट्विटर का आपका URL डालो, आपको फाइनली एक स्कोर मिलेगा आउट ऑफ 100, आउट ऑफ 10, कि हाउ प्रोफेशनल यू आर, or whatever company they want to analyze or assess that particular profile. Okay, because you can also interact with your alumni, ask them, those who are joining in last 2 years, all the companies are asking their social media URLs to the joining or to their new employees. कौन से पूछते? फेसबुक, लिंक्डइन, ट्विटर. ये व्हाई दे आर टेकिंग, इट इज नॉट समथिंग वो हमारे अभी प्रोफाइल का इंटीग्रल पार्ट है ही, बट थ्रू दैट दे कैन गेट द आइडिया ऑफ दैट पर्सन कि ये कौन से टाइप के पोस्ट करता है, हाउ इज योर थिंकिंग एबिलिटी, उसका माइंड सेट कैसे, दैट ऑल कैन बी ट्रेस्ड. एंड दैट्स व्हाई, नॉट ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, बट on a social media or on anything, you should respect each other. If you respect, you will get that knowledge. Otherwise, it's just a platform for the time pass and all. Okay. So whatever your post, whatever your comments, whatever your interaction in terms of videos, in terms of any other thing, it should be always in line with your goal or with your business. अभी आपको applicable है goal. What is your goal? You should be placed in a very good company. You should get knowledge of very good skills, or you should go for the higher study in reputed institutes. ये अगर आपका गोल है, accordingly do follow the company pages, university pages, and behave like that. Okay, so with this, I think we will conclude. If you have any question, then definitely I'm ready to answer. You can put it in a chat box. No question? You can get in touch with me with these accounts. One part only I have left. I think on that we can have a separate session as well. Like you can have your own website. It's like your own CV or resume also, but we'll have separate session on that. Yes, anyone?
Students are requested to ask for questions.
Wall LinkedIn profile. Okay. So being a FE student, I think your educational background you can add definitely. Your 10th, 12th. In between, if you have any achievement, okay, technical, like many of the competitive exams are there, na? Other than JEE and CET, like some language competitions are there, Olympiads are there. If you have such kind of achievements, then you can put it in a accomplishment or achievement section. Meanwhile, I think take the assessment quiz. Okay, so जो भी आपको, I think in first semester C language is being over, or any other जो भी it is not only computer related assessment, mechanical, civil, electrical, all topics are there. So being a first year student, I will recommend कि you go and take the self assessment quiz. That will add something more weightage कि though you are in a first year, then also you are being acquainted with such kind of skill. Yes, you can not only add, you can embed the Udemy certificate. Udemy, Coursera, TechGig, all these certificates can be embedded. For that, only what you will require, you will require the URL, means soft copy URL of that certificate. Once you put it, LinkedIn is having that option of embedding. It is okay, not you have to build your profile from first year. That's why I'm recommending, don't wait for second year and third year. You have to build your profile from first year. Blogs, no, it is totally depend on you. You can have your blogs in a formal way, informal way. Only the thing I'm saying ki whatever you will put, it should be of your own. It should not be copied. Like one of my students started the YouTube channel for giving information about cars because he is very fond of cars. He is from mechanical background. So एक कोई तो कार वो पूरा एनालिसिस उसका देता है within 5 minutes. So that kind, वैसे आप ब्लॉग लिख सकते हो on any particular topic. How can we make our profile to stand out more than others? It is only what you are performing. Okay, it is not something you are writing very good bio means your profile is very good. Bio or about section is just to catch the viewers. Okay, so once they will come to your profile now, then they should see all the achievements, all the good accomplishments of yours. Okay, in your term means for you, skills should be more. It should be maximally endorsed by others. Recommendation should be from your teachers, not by friends. In your case, what will help you? Recommendation from teacher. So like that will definitely make your profile stand out of others. It has to be operated on laptop only. Yes, currently I'm giving you the demo on laptop. LinkedIn आपको मोबाइल ऐप पे बहुत कम फिजिबिलिटी मिलेगा. Every account, LinkedIn, Twitter and all, it is fine क्योंकि उसमें about section is not that much important. But LinkedIn, then blogging, YouTube, all this has to be accessed from the either laptop or desktop. Because mobile app is having some restriction to the whatever options are provided. Any other doubt? No, so definitely I think keep the target of LinkedIn account first as of now. Okay, LinkedIn पे जाके good company pages को follow करो. Recommendation वाला part देखो, and if you like my session, do recommend me on LinkedIn or give your reviews to the madam. So ma'am will definitely pass it on to me. Then second target रखो आपका Twitter का. Okay. एंड जो कंप्यूटर आईटी बैकग्राउंड से हैव योर प्रेजेंस ऑन कोडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म, definitely they will help you a lot in coming days. And identify your interest accordingly, select either YouTube or blog. Not all people can go for YouTube, not all can write the blog. Okay, it is as per your capacity, as per your skill, accordingly you select your platform.
Okay, excellent, sir. Thank you very much for your valuable time and giving guidance to our students. Thank you, management and principal, sir, for giving opportunity to organize this wonderful session. And thank you all participants for having interactive session with sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.